Hey, I'm Richmond, a tech enthusiast and vlogger. I love playing with new gadgets every now and then, and I believe that it's nice to share my nice finds on my social media. And you can get this device for just less than 20,000 pesos, and I'll be telling you, life as a tech content creator may not be as nice as it sounds like. You're constantly bound to fail as you learn new skills and meet new adventures along the way. And that's why I keep myself equipped with the best creator tools that I can afford. The perfect camera smartphone, the lightweight mirrorless camera, and a lightweight, powerful laptop. The Lenovo Yoga Pro 9i is by far the thinnest and the lightest laptop that I can find with the most powerful processor and graphics card packed under its hood. Sorry if I sounded geeky. As demanding as my videos can be, whether I'm doing a standard long format, this laptop can handle pretty much everything that I threw to it. So editing on Photoshop, editing on Premiere Pro, everything is definitely a breeze. Or a quick short format, it is easy to do all of those tasks on the fly with this laptop. I can render high quality video thanks to the color accuracy from this device. So I don't really care wherever I am in the world. I'm ready to finish my editing for the timely upload that I am really bound to accomplish. With the speed of the Thunderbolt 4 port and a card reader, transferring files from my cameras and smartphone is a breeze. And when I'm not editing, I spend a downtime relaxing and researching on how to improve my next videos. And on some occasion, I even play some games using the laptop. Now, who said it's hard to hit a balance between work and leisure? Not with the Yoga Pro 9i. Work-life balance is definitely fun.